Welcome to our channel Letsfindcourse. So are you looking for Python tutorials? Then here's something for you. Just open your browser and type letsfindcourse.com. So let me introduce what Letsfindcourse is. Letsfindcourse is an online platform where you can find best online programming tutorials and courses. Also they provide technical MCQ questions on various topics like Java, Python, etc. So guys, let's start. So open your browser and type Python in the search box. Here you will get the past Python tutorials available online. These tutorials are recommended by our programming community. So guys, here you will find a basic introduction about Python, like what Python is, about Python, who have developed this and everything. So guys, there are lot of Python tutorials available online, and it is very difficult for us to decide which course to take. So here comes Let's Find Course. So Let's Find Course bring the best tutorials available on online and bring it to you. So guys, there are thousands of courses. Can you imagine which course you want to take? Can you decide easily? No. So the solution here comes is Let's Find Course. So guys, if you want to learn Python from basics, from intermediate level, or if you want to learn advanced Python, for data science, for artificial intelligence, anything, you will find the courses here. So guys, here what actually things are there, let me tell you. So if you want to learn Python fundamentals, like, okay, so you can check this course, Python fundamental course. Here you will find duration, price, certification, everything, and which company is providing, which educational platform, which education institution is providing, you will find it. Like Python fundamental, if you want to learn Python from beginners level, then here you can take this course, Python fundamentals, offered by Pluralsight. This is paid site, but it offers 7 days free trial, so you can go and check. Here certification also available, so you can check Python fundamentals. So if you want to learn from intermediate level, so you can take Python beyond the basics. I myself have taken this course. While I was learning Python, this course is just an awesome course. This will help you to build your Python concepts really strong. This course contains 7 hours and 22 minutes videos, so this is quite useful. And if you want to take learn more on Python, like advanced Python, you can take this course. There are large number of courses offered by various institutions. So guys, if you want to learn in depth about Python, you can take bit degree courses. Here one more interesting thing, we have tie up with bit degree, so we can provide bit degree courses at very low cost to our customers. So you can use Let's Find Course 30 promo code while you are applying, you are buying bit degree courses, any courses from bit degree. So this course is also an awesome course. And you can take courses from Coursera. Coursera is basically very costly website, but they provide, their courses are really awesome. They provide university courses, so these are very helpful. Also there are courses from edX, SoloLearn, Udemy. There are large number of courses from Udemy, so they are just an awesome course. If you don't want to pay high for learning, you can go for Udemy courses are really cheap and really good courses are there. So in this platform you will find courses from all variety, like Python is used in almost all fields, like for web development, for data science, for artificial intelligence. You will find course on everything here. Okay, so if you want to take course from Udacity, they provide nano degree program, so you can take this Python foundation course. Okay, and also web based courses are also available, like from Geeks for Geeks, W3 schools, and all these web based courses, like in text form you want to learn, in PDF form you want to learn, you can visit there. So you can find like Geeks for Geeks Python programming language courses there, which is free of cost, and of course they don't provide certificate as this is free course. So here you can find all information, like brief description about course, what course is, who provide that course, duration for that course, whether it is free or paid, whether certification is available or not. And if you want to take this course, just click on enroll button. You will be redirected to the website where this course is placed. Okay, so these courses are really an awesome course. So now you don't need to look here and there to take Python courses. Just go to Let's Find Course, visit Python section. Here you will find all the Python courses that are really good, so you can learn really a good thing. So go to Let's Find Course Python section, take the course, and let us know your reviews on this, all this, so we can improve ourselves. Okay, so guys, thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Let's Find Course. Thank you so much.